Hey, my name is Fábio. Did you know that most people in the world just sort of work in silence, working in a job they hate, and they sort of go in life as if there's no other alternative? Do you know what I mean? But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where it's enough. And they decide to do something about it. And they take their life back. And those few individuals go on to change everything for themselves, their families, and loved ones, and are the owners of exciting, happy, and fulfilled lives. Just a few months ago, I did just this. I was sick of being out of control with synthetic drugs and friends all over the place. I got so sick of it that I decided to stop everything once and for all. I locked myself and stayed depressed for almost a year. Then I decided it was time for me to take back control of my life. I became vegan. I started my self-development journey. Now I do full-time affiliate marketing. I've never been so challenged and pushed in my life. But it's been an incredible process, one that has changed me forever, and I want to share with you right now. Now, I don't know where you're at. If you're nearing retirement and you're bored or looking for a side hustle, or maybe you're sick of working 40, 50, 60 hours per week for your boss, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who's got a little bit of extra time on your hands. No matter where you're at, imagine what it will feel like learning how to create from scratch an online business to empower yourself to take your life back and to finally actually enjoy what you do. I'm not saying this is easy, because truthfully, it's not. But if you're willing to put in the work, I will give you everything, as you will see beneath this video. The blueprints, the knowledge, and the support so that you can make it happen. Be sure to take immediate action on what you've learned, and I can't wait to walk alongside with you and help you set you free. Let's go, let's make it happen. You got this.